Dear students, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss simplification of context-free grammar. In that, we are going to discuss removal of unit production. In the previous videos, we have discussed removal of useless symbol. Later, we discussed removal of epsilon production. Now, we are going to discuss removal of unit production. We will start the work. Simplification of CFG. Removal of useless symbol, already we discussed. Removal of epsilon production, last video I have discussed. Now I am going to do removal of unit production. What is unit production? One capital letter gives another capital letter is called unit production. Unit, single. Okay. One non-terminal gives another non-terminal. This is called unit production. That's what I told indirectly, capital letter. Now, have a look on this particular CFG, context-free grammar. It is very obvious that S gives C. Sometimes you may miss this particular A. So, my advice you usually split and write the grammar. On expanding, 0A, 1B, C. Separately I wrote. Again, A grammar I am going to split. 0S, 0, 0. B grammar I am going to split. 1A. C grammar 0, 1. Now it is very clear who is your unit production. This is one unit production. This is one unit production. Done. This is the unit production exist. Now we are going to do some simplification. What is the simplification? Very simple logic. There is no much complication here. Sir, S is giving C. Okay. Who is C? C is nothing but 0, 1. I hope now you got it. S is giving C. C is giving 0, 1. Sir, why can't you substitute the C value here? That's what I am going to do. Substitute the C value. Problem is solved. Remove the C and substitute S is nothing but 0, 1. That's all. We are going to do that particular work. S is equal to 0, 1. I will get. Am I right? S is equal to 0, 1. What to do for this particular work? With A value, we can remove B and A. Now you see, B gives A. Who is A? Sir, A is available here. This A is available here. I can remove this A and substitute 0S as well as 0, 0. Okay, that's all the major work. We are going to just simply substituting, nothing else. This A value, I will substitute here. Okay, C value substitute can be eliminated. A value substitute can be eliminated. If you substitute 0S, 0, 0. Ready? Now, let us rewrite the rules. Now, what is the rule? This is the actual rule I am having. Once you substitute, come on, 0A, 1B, after substituting C, 0, 1. Okay, I made it as a red color. A equal to 0S, A equal to 0, 0. Ready? B equal to 1, B equal to, after substitution, 0S, 0, 0. Ready? C equal to 0, 1, not required. Why, sir, not required? You have substituted here, you know, not required. Sir, we are having a doubt, sir. C you substituted, sir, you are not showing. A also I substituted, you know, sir. Then why you are showing again A? Hello? A value you need here also. Here also. In case if this term is not there, I could have told remove this A also. Okay. C value nowhere available. So obviously C value if you substitute and nowhere C is required. So I have removed. Okay. Carefully give a pass and check it back. You will come to know. With this analysis, we will start doing some problem. Elimination of unit production is just a simple substitution. Let us have an analysis here. Z gives M gives N gives A. Okay, there are many unit productions are here. There is one unit production, there is one unit production. Even here also one unit production is there. So, Y gives Z, Z gives M gives N. All are unit productions we are having. Okay. Now, if you carefully analyze this particular problem, it's very simple work. N is nothing but A. Okay. Remove this N, put A. That is M. Remove this M, put A. That is Z. Remove this Z, put A. That is Y. So, we have finally y is a. How? By substituting a value in n, m, z, we are having finally left out with y is nothing but a. If I do, s gives xy, okay sir, x gives a and y gives a as well as b. Remaining all are not required because we have substituted. Now, your VTPS is variables s, x, y, a, b is capital T, production rule and start symbol. Okay, it's one of the simplest problem. If you carefully analyze, it is nothing. We'll see one more problem carefully in unit production elimination. Identification of unit production is important task. On expanding, I'm just expanding because a lot of hidden variables are there. A, B, C, A separate, I made it. A, B, B separate. D, B separate, D separate. E separate, D separate. A, B is separate. Now all these red colors are unit production. Now what is that I am going to do? E value is AB. Remove this E value, put AB. That's all I am going to do. Sir, after substitution, are you seeing E anywhere? No. Then kick this person. E value itself not required. That's all. Y E value I am removing because I substituted and I don't want E anywhere. Okay, remember. Now, this D value has to be eliminated. How? This D value AB as well as this D value D. If I substitute, this D can be replaced by AB and D. Can I remove this D value? I should not remove this particular D value. Reason, this D I need here. So remember, okay, I removed this D. I substituted AB as well as D, but I am not deleting this D because I need. But why I deleted? Because I don't want E anywhere. Okay, careful. Now still this person is pending. B value you substitute, sir. If I substitute this B value, AB is there, B is there. If I substitute, this can be modified. You need B anywhere. Have a look. Anywhere you need B. No, sir. But remember, B value if you substitute, I am getting AB. Okay, have a look. I will get AB. Again, who is B is the question you know. So B is AB. So you cannot remove that particular. Okay. So you cannot remove this. That is the story. Now, after bringing this all, there is no more unit production, but variable A cannot be terminated. You see, S gives A. Who is capital A? Can you search? No, it is one of the useless symbol. So I am just removing this. Is it B is terminated? Yes. C is terminated? Yes. D is terminated? Yes. Okay. Then we will start the work. On merging all AB, B, C, A, I made it. AB, B, I made it. DB, AB, D, 3 groups. AB and D, ready. Now this is your final production rule. With this, we will start your VTPS. Come on. Who is variable? S, B, C, D. Accepted. Small letter A, small letter B, small letter D. All are coming under terminal. This is your whole production rule. And the start symbol is S. Okay. With this, I would like to conclude this particular video. In this video, we have discussed simplification of CFG using unit production elimination. In the previous 2 videos, I have discussed useless symbol as well as epsilon production. So remember, in the next video, we are going to start Chomsky Normal Form. Before doing Chomsky Normal Form, we have to go for simplification. The simplification includes useless symbol simplification, epsilon production simplification, unit production simplification. All 3 if you know, if you say yourself that, sir, I understood all the three simplifications, then you can touch Chomsky Normal Form as well as Greibach Normal Form. Thank you.